Well, my grate melted out, so I'm just going to use it like this for now. There's coals like all the way down there. Should be fine. So, carry on. So the forge didn't work out like that. I used it for a little bit, then realized it was melting the air tube in the bottom. And at the time, I didn't really want to go cut a new grate and then restart the forge, so that's why I'm working at cold right now. I know it's bad to work at cold, but I didn't really care at this point. But it worked out good. I didn't get any cracks in it anywhere. This is the one time I have the camera like this, and it's the only time I hit the target. Every other shot is absolutely terrible. And the arrow wouldn't stay straight, so that's probably why. And then this happens. So yeah, I'll definitely have to get some different wood for these. And before this one broke, my first arrow I was using cracked too. That's why in this shot you see the arrow wobble a little bit. That's when it broke.